Hi everyone, so this particular video is about streaming in LangChain. So what happens, there are two type of things, right? When you ask a question and then you have to wait for your answer, then the whole long answer comes at once. So in that case you have to wait a little bit, so the user experience is not so good, not so optimal. Like a lot of attrition may happen, the customers or the users will move away from that kind of architecture. So then streaming is like you feel like you are so much in touch, or are engaged in the conversation. So that is a streaming feature that any LLM or a kind of model have, or the chatting chatbots have. So here I'm talking about LangChains basically. So here you have four things in LangChain regarding the streaming, right? So the first is the stream agent progress. So what happens that when you have agent, right, it calls multiple tools, like whatever it does, or the different tools or the steps does, so you get what is it doing right now. So that is the first thing, stream the agent progress. The second is your stream the LLM tokens. This means the question that you have asked, so you are getting some answers in between as well, and then you are printing that answers to your user basically. So that is the same thing that happens in ChatGPT. When you ask, then it continuously writes something, right? So that is a kind of thing that comes up with the second option, that is stream LLM tokens. Then you have the stream custom updates. So you can define functions or user defined functions, so they print some of the things as like what is the status. So those are custom updates or custom stream that you can define in your code base. Fourth is your stream multiple modes, right? So in some cases you might need all of these updates to come in your application. So in that case you can have multiple modes. So first mode is like you have updates, that is for agent progress. The second is your messages, that is the LLM token or metadata or the actual messages. The third is your custom that you have defined basically. So these are basically the four streaming options that you have in LangChain. Then we have to stream the agent progress, user stream or stream methods that you have in the stream modes updates. So it emits an event at every agent step. This is the thing that you have. uh, if I look at the code base of this, then you import it, and hmm, then you have a thing that is agent.stream, so that you can stream your messages, and then in that case you have to write the stream mode to be updates. So this will be a string that will go uh, like this, and then you have the LLM tokens to stream the tokens as they are produced by LLM. So stream mode will be the messages. So it is like the same thing that you have the agent dot stream, but inside that there's a parameter, that is a stream mode is a parameter basically. So you can write the messages to get the LLM tokens. Then you have the custom, and then you in this case you have the agent.stream method, but along with that you have a parameter that is stream mode equal to custom. So in this case you use some predefined functions that you have written. And then if you want to use multiple modes in one code, right, so you can give an array or a list, python list of the stream modes, and then you can use that. So these are the four streaming that you have in LangChain. I hope you understood something. I hope I added some value to your life regarding the LangChain chatbots. Thank you for if you watched till now. Thank you.